Ford KA 2010. Customer complaint is my steering wheel feels weird, almost as if it's not connected to the wheels. Well, they weren't lying. I'll hopefully try and show you now. So this is the wheel. Hear that clicking? And watch the wheel. So that's me turning the steering wheel, and guess what? The wheel's not moving. You imagine driving down the road and then all of a sudden you turn the wheel and your actual wheel doesn't go anywhere. Yeah, that happened to me driving this year. Also got an airbag fault, engine management light and no horn. I've also got a really rattly exhaust. From what I can tell, this exhaust has been shunted back because it's melted into the bumper. The more I look at the front end, the more I feel it's had a front end bump. Some telltale signs. Ah well, if you can see the gap, the paint colour's different. Hard to see in this light on camera, but I can definitely see there's a different colour bumper. So yeah, my best guess is this has had a bump over here, which has inadvertently ripped the plug off the O2 sensor underneath, sorry, the Lambda Bank 2, shunted everything backwards. What's caused the steering to fail, I don't know. That's the mission today, to get that off. So I'll get it up and support it safely, and I'll start ripping into it. If you see the gap there, bear in mind the bonnet is down right now. These are things that can't really be fixed when the front end's had a twist, especially a large knock on the front end. So yeah, we'll give it a go and we'll go from there. So we're a couple of minutes in. Straight away I can see that there are 0 brake pads left. I don't know if you can see that in there, hopefully it'll focus. Someone's been in here before, that's nice and tight. The other side, the bottom was loose. When I had the wheel still on, there's plenty of play in the rack. Pads are also dangerously low over here. I can also see split ball joint. That'll be a failure. But yeah, that I undone. This is just loose. So I'm guessing someone else has tried to get in here before. Don't know what we're going to do about that. I haven't ventured underneath yet, but looks like there's a flexi fitted at some point, which will probably explain why the exhaust has been pushed back, because they haven't done a fantastic job of lining that up, possibly. I did notice further on back there's a rubber mount that's not lining up. So yeah, that's where we're at. Damage. Don't know what to do about that yet. Spring is good. So yeah, now we're gonna get involved, get the track rods off. Hopefully they come off. Front sub, disconnect the rack from steering column. I can stay where they are, that's fine. So yeah, just keep chipping away and I'll take another video in a bit and showing it now. So, rack is out. What I found was play in the inside track rod end, and then the other thing I found was when you put any pressure on, like if you imagine that's connected to a wheel, you turn this. I've got some very, very horrific grinding going on the inside. Not good. So yeah, hopefully new rat now, and that should fix us up. So back with the KA after a couple hours work. Everything's back together. sensor, I can hear wires crunching. So we can hear the difference. No noise. It's very nice. So that was done at, where's the mileage? $119,330. Steering angle sensor. When you turn the wheel, you can hear the wires crunching. The Lavender Bank 2. I'll try and show you the wires on that in just a second. So there's the plug that I found just randomly on the floor, and over here where all that zip tie stuff is the other half of the, there it is. I could try and push them together. I'll see what the crack is now on that one, but in my professional opinion, you need a new laminar sensor. But I'll see if I can get the two to at least live together for now. So yeah, confirm with customer. They say just try and get it to stick together. So that's what I've done. Insulation tape, not the best of jobs I've done, to be fair, but that's what they want, that's what they get. In an ideal world I like to change it, but it is what it is. Got a slight nose coming from alternator at the back, I think it is. So give it a little squirt of oil, just make sure it's nice and lubed up. Yeah, so let's get this done. If you ever need any work, guys, girls, just drop us a text and away we go. I think you agree that's a lot quieter than what it was. Just a bit of a dry tensioner and a dry alternator, a little squirted WD, great stuff. Always showing you that one. As far as I can tell, what's left now is front brake pads, slight Rattly exhaust, steering angle sensor, airbag light will go away then. This is less rattly now, it's been knocked in. The internals have failed. So yeah, go to a test drive now and take it from there.